Mummy,
Hmm.
when I grow up 8 years old or 7 years old,
Hmm.
then will Alexa know me?
Yes. No, I think when you will be beyond 10 years, you will be more than 10 years old, then she will know you. I think she's not allowed to know children
Why?
because children are supposed to talk to their parents, not to machines.
But then why do you talk to her? Then why do you not talk to Alexa?
I don't need to talk to Alexa. I need to talk to you. Why should I talk to Alexa? I have my pretty little baby to talk to.
Mummy, did you order Alexa?
No, your dad did. So that we could play songs, not because you could talk to her all the time.
Mummy,
Hmm.
whenever Alexa did not know me, then it also feels like that a ghost is talking.
How? How so? You feel like the ghost. Or you feel Alexa is the ghost.
When Alexa does not know me, then I feel like that I'm a ghost and she can't even see
Oh
me.
my god, you feel invisible. Because she's not hearing you. Oh my god, that's so deep. Come
Okay,
here.
wait. Let me try to walk through. Oh, yes. Okay, that means I'm not invisible. Why did she?
You were trying to walk through the wall to see if you're actually invisible.
Yes.
That was a door. No, you're not invisible. Okay, tell me one thing. Whenever you say something to Didi or to Papa or to Nanu or to Mummy, do we make you feel invisible or do we respond to you?
Respond.
Yes. So, if a machine, which is probably not even working right, is not listening to you, how is that making you invisible? Her opinion, her working does not matter. It's a machine, it's replaceable.
Okay.
Human contact matters, machine doesn't. Okay?
My full eye was coming inside.
And
Yes.
we are always available for you, always responding, always attentive. We always want to talk to you. So, talk to us.
Okay, but Mummy,
Hmm.
when I grow up 10 years old,
Hmm.
then I'll talk like grown-ups.
Does Didi talk like a grown up?
Yes, but,
No, Didi does not talk like a grown up.
but she talks to you like a grown-up.
No, she doesn't. She talks to me like a kid. And so will you. Why is it important not to talk like a grown up? Because you think that Alexa will forget that once you were a baby and you